I've genuinely no idea where I'm going. I hope I'm going the right place. I'm looking for the Glenfinnan viaduct. Found the train station and all the arrows are now pointing this way. So I'm going to carry on walking. It tells me it's about a mile away, probably a 30-minute walk there, possibly a 30-minute walk back. Left my car in the car park, so I'm going to see if I can try and find this bad boy. Okay, so I'm literally winging this. I drove all the way here to the Glenfinnan to see if I can find it. I get to the train station and then it tells me to go on a 60-minute round trip hike before I can actually find the viaduct, you know, the one that's on Harry Potter, and I think literally it's over there. So at least I've found it anyway. The only thing is I've got to get from here all the way to there without collapsing because I've become unprepared. But oh my god, just look at these absolute surroundings. What a fucking view, absolutely incredible. So carry on as you are. See you later. I'm not going to deny how much fun I've just had, even though I've never seen a Harry Potter film in my life. That was pretty cool, seeing the viaduct. Two trains as well. No steam, but still got 2 trains. Nah, it's boss that. Thoroughly enjoyed that. And that's sightseeing number 1, ticked off the list. Don't think I'm going to get any more done tonight though. Come on, you got to admit that's just absolutely stunning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, just about to make breakfast. I couldn't miss the opportunity to come and see this though. Absolutely incredible. Just look. Yep, you wouldn't get bored of waking up to seeing it. Well, I'm not going to lie about it. That was pretty much the most stressful 4 hours of my entire life. Basically, I thought I'd done my homework on the charging stations, but I actually didn't. What I didn't realise was that even though there was loads of charging stations up in and around Scotland, in the Isle of Skye where I am, I didn't realise that you actually needed a Scottish card to be able to use these charging stations. So therefore I've just spent the past 4 hours on and off the phone to a lot of different people, and I finally found a nice gentleman in a car park who actually lent me his actual charging cards. He's staying in a hotel away from me, 2 seconds away, and he literally opened his wallet and just went boom, you can borrow this until tomorrow morning when we leave. So that guy has literally just saved my life, because otherwise I weren't getting anywhere near out of Scotland. So yeah, a bit of a dickhead as far as I'm concerned, what I've done there. However, I am now charging. It is working. It's going to take me an hour or so, but at least now, once I've done this, I can carry on about my day and try and see if I can get some sightseeing on after losing 4 hours now. Shame, but there we go. Now we can just have a bit of a breather. It's going to take about 55 minutes now for the actual car to charge up, so I can definitely think of worse places to be.
It's in your nature.
It's been a little change of plan now. I have decided to go to the Old Manor store, which in fact I can see a little bit over there. I've decided to go there first because it was the closest, and because I'm trying to play catch up because I'm a bit of a tit, I thought I would do this first and then I'm going to head over to Nice Point. But first is the Old Manor store. I'm already regretting not bringing any water. Schoolboy error. Nothing at all. Only 5 minutes in. Fuck me. Over there. I need water. So it's just absolutely picturesque anyway. Tell you what, considering this was meant to be bloody relaxing in a couple of days, it's pretty stressful. Okay, so just done that one, and by the time it's about 3:30 now. By the time I get back down, it's going to be about 4:30, and then it's looking like about an hour and a half drive over to Nice Point. So I'll get there about 6 o'clock-ish. Doesn't seem too bad, that, to be honest with you. Stay there for an hour or so, head back to the hotel. Hopefully get back by about 8:30 in time for something to eat. I haven't booked anywhere, but hopefully we'll squeeze in like it did last night. So let's go. Although I'm going to go arse over to it in a minute. Spectacular places I think I've ever seen. It takes some beating, this, I'll tell you that now, and it's typically one of them where you get what I'm saying here, but pictures and videos just don't do it any justice at all, and I'm super lucky with regards to the weather. Incredible. That's what it's all about. Gonna go and try and find a place now called Castle Moyle, which apparently is the sister castle for the Alien Donnan. So, and that little bad boy over there is where I'm gonna go and find abandoned ship. I think I'm going the right way. No idea. It looks like a graveyard for ships or boats. Don't think there's anyone about, but if there is, I'm gonna feel like I'm fucking idiot talking to myself. Castle Meow. Didn't look like much before, but well, I wouldn't exactly say it was a castle. I genuinely thought it was going to be like a castle itself, this Castle Meow. Somebody told me to come up here this morning and have a look at it, but literally it's just two big stones. You can probably see at one point it might have been a small castle, but there's literally nothing left. It's a nice icon, I mean, you can see it like adds to the skyline, but there's physically nothing up here at all. Anyway, it was worth it. Yep, well that's pretty much me done now here. I've had my coffee. Done a little bit of climbing, not the one that I wanted to do, but now it's time to head back down and go and find something else to adventure with. I think I'm going to go somewhere like Fairy Pools. Yeah, I am going to go and try there, to be honest with you. I'm a little bit dubious about whether I've got enough battery left in the car. It's fucking doing my head in. Because I need to make sure I can get home tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm going to go to Fairy Pools. I'm going to do it. Okay, so there's been a bit of a change of plan. I'm definitely starting to get paranoid about the amount of charge I've got on my phone. So basically what I'm going to try and do is leave the car as much as I possibly can do today. So instead of going to the fairy pools, I've basically opted to walk over Skye Bridge. So yeah, I'm going to do the walking over the bridge, and there's a boat on its way, and there is also the lighthouse that's there as well. So basically I'm going to see if I can try and get some photos of the lighthouse and see if I can catch the boat going underneath it. Now, from being dead relaxed 2 minutes ago, I'm stressed out. Oh, it's okay, I've done loads. Cheers anyway. Where do you think I'm going? There's no way in this world I'm not filming this. Look at this. What do I look? Oh my god, this is pure professional. No messing around here, is there? Look, you can't have got the real deal going against you. Oh my god, Pete, get out the video quick. Oh no, you're self-employed now, you're alright. Yeah, I'm alright now. You can get in it now. Oh my god. Pete's tent. Oh my god. Look at them. That's all he needs, though, isn't it? It is. Incredible. Boss gazebo, that, isn't it?
Excessive, like, well, you know.
Look at you all warm there.
I've got a proper one of them, you know.
That's some going, that, I'll give you that.